Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt, and today I'm going to reply to a comment from Susan about some greetings and farewells that we can say in person and on email. So at the top of the page there you'll see tēnā koe. So tēnā koe means formally, is a formal way of saying hello. Literally it means that's you. Tēnā koe. So that's a formal way of saying hello in person or on an email. Kia ora, or how I say it is kia ora. I'm putting the A and the O together. Kia ora is a more informal way of saying hello in an email or in person. Morena is equal to good morning, and atamare is a more formal way of saying good morning. Atamare. Always remember to put a break after every vowel if you're not sure how to pronounce something, and to remember your vowels. A, e, I, o, u. So then on the page just below that is ngā mihi. Ngā mihi. It means greetings, but it's always more likely to be at the end of an email. Ngā mihi as in thank you. So you can just say ngā mihi, or you can describe your thank you and say ngā mihi nui, which means big thanks. Ngā mihi maioha, which is thanks and appreciation. And ngā mihi mahana, warm thanks. And it's kind of thanks and greetings together. Right, I'll just turn the page. So the next thing is about signing off an email. Nā, and then your name. So if I just wanted to sign off simply, it would be Nā Sharon. I usually sign off with ngā mihi, which we saw on the previous page. Nā Sharon, and it kind of means by or from. You'll sometimes see nā before the author and illustrator of books that are in Māori on the cover. Nā ku nā is a way to sign off, the equivalent of yours faithfully. Nā ku iti noa nā is a way of signing off, saying yours sincerely. So each of those three would have your name at the end. So it would say Nā ku iti noa nā Sharon, or whatever your name is. Mā te wā is another nice way of saying goodbye, see you soon, kind of informally, in person or in a letter or in an email. And then the other thing I've put down here is how to say have a good day. Kia pai tō rā is how you would say that to one person, and I guess you could use it as a sign off for a letter or an email. Kia pai tō kōrua rā is how to say that to two people. Have a good day, you two. Kia pai tō koutou rā is have a good day, all of you, for three or more people. And the one underneath is have a good break, kind of have a good rest, have a good weekend kind of thing. Kia pai tō rā whakatā. There's a rā in there. Rā whakatā. Kia pai tō rā whakatā. So, hopefully that will be of help to you. Any more questions and comments? Always love to hear them. I love to do videos of the things that you would really like to know about. And if I can do that, I will. Ka kite.